This is the interview of myself asking the superpower, hosted by, questioned by, production managed by,
Directors.
the Alalays, say hi, and the Wapakels.
Native.
Okay.
Action. And then, if you were to have superpowers, what would you choose? What would you choose and why?
I would choose mind reading. So I would know how people think about me or how people think among themselves.
How would mind reading be beneficial to the world?
Hindi ko dapat harap mo kami sa
Okay na yan, tanong ko na eh.
Okay. How would it benefit? So we would know who lies and who not, and who has bad plans and who has good plans, and who is honest and who is not. Many things like that. We would know affirmative side and both negative. If I would have that power.
Do you think mind reading has disadvantages?
Yes, of course. Everything is where has disadvantages.
Like what?
Like I can use it in my personal purpose. Like I can use it for revenge or something bad that can cause others to be really felt so good, so horrible, bad, and most stuff like that.
Applause! Palakpakan ka lang!
Akas! Yung Wapakels.
Palakpakan!